After studying from you, I did all PYQs in one go. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you so much. It was so nice. So nice of you. Thank you. Thank you so much. Right, all the people after completion of this one, so in the PYQs, right, you will find out the some questions related to static scoping, dynamic scoping. You can do. Now concentrate. Now concentrate. Everyone, now concentrate. Now concentrate. The new topic, one nice topic going to be happen. It is a very important one. I don't know what is the reason. This is the very important one. Everyone say this. Very important. This one will come in the exam. In the exam, this one will come. I am giving many stars also. In the exam, it will come. In the exam, it will come. In exam, it is a compulsory will come. See, almost like 10 times came. Right? There is a question from this particular domain, whatever I am going to teach now. It came in the examination 10 times. In the last 10 years paper or 15 years paper, almost 10 times came. This is the only one which is repeating in the GATE examination, right? Again and again. In GATE examination, this is repeating again and again, right? Please be careful. Please be careful here. So I'm starting. See this one, I'm starting this. The topic name is called static variable. Write down. Right, the topic name is static variable. Careful, it is a very important one. Static variable is very important. Not normal important, very important. Very important. Yeah, fine. Right? So before going to static variable, listen. Before going to static variable, right? Before going to static variable, just I want to clarify something. Yeah, best idea. Let me give problem. If you know answer, you can try. I will give the problem. If you know the answer, you try. Otherwise, I will explain. Take the problem. Main. Right? So static variable main. Static int var is equal to 5. Static int var is equal to 5. If var main printf var minus main. Yeah, this is the program. Yeah, what is the output of this program? If you know, you can give answer. Main static int var is equal to 5 if var printf var minus main. If you can, right, if you can try this problem, right, you try few minutes. If you don't get answer, I will give the answer. You try this one one time, right? If you can give answer, well and good. Otherwise, I will give answer. Yeah, Ashwin, today's class is just started now. In my opinion, today's class is just started because previous one is homework problem. I solved it. Right? Previous dynamic scoping homework is there. I solved it. Dynamic scoping homework is there. I done. Now today's class is, in my opinion, it is a starting point. It is starting point. Yeah, let's see how many people will give answer. Yeah, let's see how many people will give answer. It's a very, very important one. Every year one question is coming. Every year one problem is coming from this. Yeah, can I give answer? Can I give answer? Many people are saying infinite loop. Many people are saying infinite loop. Can I give answer? Can I give answer? Everyone. Then listen. Listen, everyone. Everyone, listen. I think Ashwini said something. Ashwini said 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ashwini said 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Johan said infinite loop. Gayatri said infinite loop. Shakir said infinite loop. Infinite 5. Shakir said infinite 5. I will try. I will try. Yeah, now see this one. I will try. Everyone listen. I will try. Make sure everyone listen. Make sure. Let us assume, see this one. Let us assume, everyone observe. Let us assume this problem, no static. Everyone listen. This problem don't have static. This problem don't have static. Then what is the answer? Without static, what is the answer? With static, what is the answer? I will explain. Without static, what is the answer? With static, what is the answer? I will explain. Right? Everyone observe. With static, what is the answer? Without static, what is the answer? I'm going to explain. But before going, I want to say one thing. Are you comfortable this? Whatever I'm going to say, are you comfortable or not? Let me check. I'm writing here. Are you comfortable or not? X value 5. Careful. X value 5. X value 5, y is equal to x plus plus printf x comma y. What is the answer? X is equal to 5, y is equal to x plus plus printf x comma y. What is the answer? Next one, y is equal to plus plus x printf x comma y. What is the answer? Just I want to know what is the answer. What is the answer left side? What is the answer right side? Yeah, game saying, sir, you are best. Thank you, game. Thank you so much. Thank you, game. Thank you so much. X is equal to 5. Left side is y is equal to x plus plus printf x comma y. Right is y is equal to plus plus x printf x comma y. What is left answer? What is right answer? You please let me know. What is left answer? What is right answer? Check once. First of all, complete this. First, if you want to give answer of previous problem, the thing what I given, if you want to give that answer, please give this answer first. What is left? What is right? What is the answer? What is the left? What is the right? Gayatri, what is the left? What is the right? Priyoshi said 6566. Ashwini said 6566, right? 65 first one, 66 second one. Okay. Okay, let's see. Priyoshi is saying 65 left first one, 66 right one. I will try. I will try everyone. Everyone listen. Everyone listen this. Everyone listen. So remember, y is equal to x plus plus. Listen, x value 5, careful. X value 5, x value 5. 5 plus plus is 5 only. It is a post incrementation. Post incrementation. X value 5, 5 plus plus is 5 only. 5 1. That 5 will goes to y. X value 5, 5 plus plus is 5 only. It is a post incrementation. Post incrementation means it don't work in this line. When you say post incrementation, it don't work in this line. In this line, it don't work. Post incrementation means in this, right? In this line, it don't work. X value 5, 5 plus plus is 5 only. X value 5, 5 plus plus is 5 only. That 5 will goes to y. Y value become 5. Y value become 5. Right? Y value become 5. Until now, 5. Now see, printf x comma y. What is the answer? Remember, in this line, right? This post incrementation don't affect. But after this, it will affect. What is the meaning? X value 5 in this line, that 5 will goes to y. That's fine. When you say this line is completed, then x value becomes 6 because you are already done incrementation. At this line, x5 only. At this line, x5 only. After this line, x became 6. Then y became 5 only because whenever x value 5, that will be assigned to y. In that line, x5 only. After that line, x value becomes 6. Now, can you see the right side? Can you see the right side? X value 5. 5 plus plus is 6 because it is a pre-incrementation. Because it is a pre-incrementation, it will increment here only. So after incrementation, it will store. Pre-incrementation means first increment, then store. What is the post incrementation? What is the post incrementation? First to store, then increment. When you say post incrementation, first to store, then increment. What is the pre-incrementation? First increment, then store. Now I think x value 5, 5 plus 5 is 6 only. So it is 6. So this will also 6. So finally nothing is pending. Both will be 6 printed. Everyone know. Everyone know this. Only for namesake I written. Pre-incrementation, post-incrementation. Only for namesake I done. Only for namesake I done. Are you comfortable? Are you comfortable? Post incrementation, pre-incrementation. Are you comfortable? Very simple. Post incrementation means first to store, then increment. First to store, then increment. Pre-incrementation, first increment, then store. That's it. Fine. Post incrementation, pre-incrementation. Are you comfortable? Everyone know. Everyone know. Only for namesake I am saying, so that it will be helpful to those people who don't know. So that it will be helpful to those people who don't know. I will give example, right? I will give example. Listen, I will give example. Careful. I'm just giving the example also so that you will remember many days. Suppose assume that someone went to hospital. Suppose assume that someone went to hospital, right? So doctor got to know because of some reason, doctor want to do surgery to him. Doctor want to do surgery, right? There is a one person, some health issue. He went to the hospital. Doctor want to say, doctor informed him, so we have to do surgery, otherwise you may die. We have to do surgery, right? Otherwise you may die. Then that person said that, okay, doctor, do surgery, right? So now see what happened, right? So doctor took the person to the operation theater, surgery theater. We took the doctor took that person to the operation theater, right? So now listen everyone, let us assume that on stomach they want to do surgery. Can anyone help? Will they give painkiller? On surgery they want to, listen, they want to do surgery on the stomach. Will they give painkiller? Doctor decided you want to do surgery on the stomach. Can you help me now? Will they give painkiller or not? Oi, talk. Doctor will give painkiller or not? So doctor will give painkiller. See this one. Doctor will give painkiller while giving right after giving painkiller. Doctor is keep on talking with the patient. Right? Hello, Shakir, how are you? Right? Hello, Johan, how are you? Let us assume that the person, right? The doctor is Johan. Right? Patient is Shakir. Assume. So Johan is asking the Shakir, hello Shakir, how are you? Right? So do you know singing or not? Like that is keep on asking. But interesting thing is because the painkiller is there, right? So Shakir don't know that, right? Johan is cutting the stomach. Johan is cutting the stomach and doing whatever he want. He take the knife, is doing like this. Because a painkiller is there, Shakir don't know this. Johan is keep on singing song also. Johan asking the Shakir, you can sing also. How are you? Right? How many breakups happened to you? What is your BTech percentage? He's keep on asking whatever you want. But Shakir is thinking that, doctor is a nice person. Doctor, when will you do surgery? But Shakir don't know that stomach is already broken. Already stomach is made almost like parts. Stomach is almost made parts. Stomach almost made parts, something like this. Shakir don't know this, right? So, but the interesting thing is Johan cut the total body into so many parts. Something, the reason is painkiller is there. Means pain will not come that time. Pain will not come that time. Then doctor said that after 1 hour is over, stitching, everything is done. Right? Whatever you want, he done. So he cut the total, he cut the total stomach and he kept inside the stomach some knives and all. Right? Afterwards, he done the stitching of the body. And right, doctor said that, yeah, I think Shakir, you can go ahead. Shakir, you can go ahead. So I think my work is done. Now Shakir is right. 1 hour is over. Shakir is going. Now game will start. What is the answer? Now pain will come. Pain will not come that time. Whenever you say postpone, right? Post incrementation. Post incrementation means incrementation happened. It don't happen that time. It will happen after some time. When you say postpone, post incrementation, that time incrementation happened, but effect will come afterwards. Similarly, this also surgery time, no pain will come afterwards, right? That is the meaning of post incrementation. Post incrementation means pain will not come that time, pain will come after. Afterwards, Shakir called Johan and is asking Johan, hello, Dr. Johan, that time pain is not there. Now pain is coming a lot. Are buffoon, right? This is called post incrementation. He said that we given painkiller, that time pain will not come, pain will come afterwards. Pain will come afterwards. Pain will not come that time. That is the meaning of post incrementation. Similarly, post decrementation also. So like that. That is the meaning of post incrementation. Right. Some people are asking, sir, can you give one example for pre-incrementation? Some people are asking, sir, can you give one example for pre-incrementation? Nothing. Listen, nothing. Pre-incrementation is nothing. See this one. Take the knife. Pre-incrementation. See this one. Take the knife. So it is like this one. See, Johan took one knife. And Johan took one knife, and you took the Shakir head also. You done like this. Shakir, oh, like this. Interesting thing is, right? Johan not done anything. Still he will get pain. Johan take the knife and the Shakir head also, and Johan done like this he done. We said, oh, right? This means even nothing happened. Means before the actual work only pain will start. Pain will start before actual work. Pre-incrementation means immediately effect. Pre-incrementation is immediately. Before only pain. Before assignment only pain will start. But in the post incrementation, after assignment, pain will start. Don't try these at home and school or anywhere else. Yeah, exactly. This is only for better understanding of my students. All the examples, whatever I said, better understanding of my students. Please don't try these kind of things with your friends and all. It is a very harmful to health. It's not good. You will face a lot of difficulties. Please, my strong advice to all the people is, this is only for better understanding of my students and the fun purpose of my student and all. To make my class is entertaining, I may say whatever I want. Don't take it personal. Don't do that. Now what the Johan is doing is readying all the knives and all. Johan ready to do surgery to Shakir. Johan almost ready. He packed everything also. Johan, this is only for better understanding. Don't take emotional. Don't feel that, right, this is my responsibility. Don't go to, right, Shakir house. Don't try for the surgery. It is only for better understanding. Try to understand first, Johan, yourself. Yeah, I hope you got the pre-incrementation, post-incrementation. I am really saying everyone, after gate examination is over, listen, after gate examination is over, many people, they will come out of the gate exam. Listen, they will come out of the gate exam by, right, they are thinking like this one. See, question number 1 A, question number 2 B, question number, right, question number 3, right, D, question number 4, question number 4 C. He said like this. When you are doing like this one by one of your friend will say that question number 3 answer is not D. Question number 3 answer is not D. Answer is A. Question number 3 answer is not D. Your friend said answer is A. You asked him why. You asked that person why. What is the reason? Then immediately he said that it is a post incrementation. Array buffoon, it is a post incrementation. You incremented directly. That is the reason answer came D, but the actual answer is A because it is a post incrementation. It don't affect that time, it will affect after. Then you will see, ayo Rama, ayo Sita. Array man, if you say ayo Rama, ayo Sita, BJP people will cry. My madam will cry. Ayo Rama, ayo Sita. If you do, BJP people will cry. My madam will cry. Right? No one will give marks to you. Samjha? After exam is over, you are thinking that answer is D because you don't know what the post incrementation. You don't know what the post incrementation. Right? Your friend said that answer not D, answer A. Immediately you started shouting, how? Array, it is a post incrementation. Yeah, it don't increment that time. It will increment after. Oh, ayyo Rama, ayyo Sita. Array, exam over. What Rama, what Sita? What Rama, what Sita exam? And one more. Some people are very smart. What they will praise the gate paper. Wow, gate paper is that much tricky. Instead of saying gate exam is that much tricky and all, instead of praising the gate exam, why don't you blame yourself? You don't know post incrementation. Some people are very smart. Instead of saying I don't know post incrementation, I don't know pre incrementation, instead of that, they will praise the gate paper. Oh, gate exam is so tricky, yaar. So tricky. Are not tricky, yaar. You don't know pre-incrementation. You don't know post-incrementation. Please careful with this. Okay, fine. I hope you will remember many days. Can you see this? Can you see this line? I'm one more small basic point there. Can you see this? One more small basic point there. Can you see this one? Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Everyone listen. Make sure everyone have to listen. If one print high, else print by, can you say what it will print? If one print high, else print by, what it will print? If one print high, else print by, what it will print? If one print high, else print by, what it will print? Can you say what it will print? If 1 print high, else print by, what it will print? So everyone know. If 1 means true, high will be printed. Right? If answer is high. Okay, I am okay with this. Can you help me? What is the answer? If 0, print high, else print by. What is the answer? If 0, print high, else print by. Go ahead. What is the answer? Yeah, if 0 means fail. If condition is fail, if condition fail for 0. So what is the answer? By will be printed. By or B. Some people are asking, so how it is by? It is a B, na? Okay, bhaiya, B. Yeah, B will be printed. It's not by, B. Okay, I am very happy. Yeah, it is a B only. Now see the next one. Everyone listen. If 10, print high, else print by. What it will print? If 10, not if 1. If 10, print high, else print by. What it will print? Everyone know. If 1 also print high, if 1 also, this one, if 1 also condition true, if 1 also condition true, if 10 also condition true, if 1 also condition true, if 10 also condition true. Some people are asking, sir, this also it will print what? High. Some people are asking, sir, if 1 also print high, if 10 also print high, then when it will print, sir? Very simple. For every non-zero, it will pass. For every non-zero, it will pass. Let me check one more. If minus 25, print high, else print by. Right? Print by. If minus 25, remember, my negative, positive doesn't matter. Is it 0 or non-zero? Non-zero pass only high. Non-zero means pass only high. Is it 0 or non-zero? Non-zero. 0 or non-zero? Non-zero pass. 0 fail. 0 means fail. Non-zero pass. Non-zero pass. That's it. Right? Last one. If, careful everyone now, if 0.75, print high, else print by. What is the answer? If 0.75, print high, else print by. What is the answer? High only. Simple. It is a 0 or non-zero that matter. Is it 0 or non-zero? What is the answer? 0. High only. Sorry, 0 or non-zero? Non-zero, high only. 0 or non-zero, high only. So I am not saying negative or positive. I am saying 0 or non-zero. 0 fail, non-zero pass. Right? I hope everyone comfortable. So gate exam is right. Gate exam will check basics very strongly. They will verify. Do you really know post incrementation? Do you really know pre-incrementation? Do you really know conditional statement checking? Do you really know conditional statement checking? Right? If one condition true, if 10 condition true, if minus 25 condition true, if 0.75 condition true, if 0 condition fail. Now I want answer from you. Can anyone say what is the answer for this? What is the answer for this one? 20. Listen everyone now. 20. Everyone listen. 20 and 10. 20 and 30. What is the answer? 20 and 30. What will be the answer? 20 and 30. What will be the answer? 20 and 30. What will be the answer? Remember everyone. Non-zero, 1. Non-zero, 1. 1 and 1, 1. Non-zero. See, is it non-zero? 1 means true. It is a non-zero. Yes, 1 means true. 1 and 1, 1. Now interesting answer, interesting answer, interesting answer. 20 and 30, what is the answer? Careful, careful, what is the answer? 20 and 30, what is the answer? 20 and 30, what is the answer? Careful, careful, what is the answer? 20 and 30, what is the answer? But remember everyone, it is a double end. It is a single end. Remember, this is called bitwise end. It is called bitwise end. It is called relational end or Boolean end. Boolean end operator. It is a bitwise end operator. Some people are asking, sir, what is the difference, sir? How can you say 20 and 30? It's a bitwise end operator. What it means, sir? I'm going to explain. 20, remember everyone, 20 binary number you write. See, 20 can be written as 16 plus 4. 30 can be written as, write the closest powers of 2. 30 can be written as, write the closest powers of 2. I think closest powers of 2 for the 30, right? 2 power 5, 32, 2 power 4, 16. Remaining is 14. 14 also closest powers of 2, right? I think 2 cube, 8. Right? I think, see, 30, 16 if you remove 14. From the 14, if you remove 8, 6 will be there. 6 closest powers of 2, 4. Next one, 2. Now see the answer, very interesting answer. See this one, very interesting answer. 0th bit, first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit. See this one, 0th bit, first bit, second bit, third bit, fourth bit. See this one, I think 16 means 2 power 4, fourth bit 1. 4 means 2 square, second bit is 1. Remaining things are zeros. So this is 20. And one more, go to the 30. Just I'm not doing anything, converting from binary to decimal or decimal to binary. I think it is the decimal, I'm converting into binary. So I'm finding out the shortcut. What is the shortcut? Just write closest powers of 2's. 30 closest powers of 2 without crossing. 30 closest powers of 2, 2 power 4, 16. Remaining 30 minus 16, remaining is 14. 14 also closest powers of 2 without crossing. I think 2 cube 8. Next one, 14 minus 8 is going to be 6. Next one, 6, so nearest powers of 2. 2 square 4. Right? I think 6 minus 4 is 2. So 2 closest powers of 2, 2 only. So I think 6th bit is 1. 2 power 4. Third bit also 1. Because 2 cube. Second bit also 1, 2 square. First bit also 1, 2 power 1. Then I think 0th bit is not required. This is 30. Listen, this is 30. When you say bitwise end operator, what is the answer? If both are 1, then only 1. It is a 0. It is a 0. It is a 1. It is a 0. It is a 1. So if you observe clearly, the answer is going to be 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 square, 2 cube, 2 power 4. 2 power 4, 16. Plus, right? I think second bit 2 square, 4. So answer is going to be 20. Answer is going to be 20. So remember, it is a bitwise end operator. It is a Boolean end. Another name is logical end. Logical end, right? Logical end. Logical end operator. It is a Boolean end. See, I am repeating once again. It is a bitwise. Bitwise. Right hand side is bitwise. This is the meaning. When you say Boolean end, a relational operator, a relational end operator, whatever it may be. Boolean end operator, if you see, I think it is on 0 or non-zero, 1. 0 or non-zero, 1. 1 and 1, 1. Remember this, remember, whatever it may be the name, remember, double end operator, actual end operator, right? Left side, right side, non-zero, then true. But here it is a bitwise end. Small difference, please catch it. Small difference, please catch it. Small difference, please catch it. Fine now? Fine now? If I don't say this, you think that both are same. You think that both are same. If I don't say, you think that both are same. Perfect. One is going to be Boolean end, another one is bitwise end, which is also called relational end. This is called relational operator, relational end. Relational end or Boolean end. One more is bitwise end. When you say bitwise, you have to go bitwise. Very simple. When you say bitwise, you have to go bitwise. Means you have to convert first. But when you say Boolean end or logical end, relational end operator, right? So double end is there. No need of bits and all. But when you say only single ampersand, it's a bitwise end. Okay, fine. Many people knows. If anyone don't know, please take care. Many people know this. All these small basics, everyone know. If anyone don't know, please can you take care. I'm not explaining all these things. I'm not explaining all these things, right? All these things because you don't know and all. One time I have to take care about all the people. I'm not saying all these things, right? Thinking about no one knows. It's better to say once. Instead of assuming whatever I want, it is better to say once. I'm saying now come to our problem. Problem become very easy. Can you come to this problem? Can you come to this problem? Everyone observe. Can you come to this problem? See this. Can you come to this problem? Yeah, fine. Now I'm executing. Everyone observe. I'm executing. Everyone, you have to concentrate. Otherwise, you don't get. See the answer. Without static. Without static. What is the answer? Without static, what is the answer? With static. Our concentration is with static. Our concentration is with static. Without static also I will explain. Now see the answer. Without static, how I am explaining. Everyone listen. No static. No static. What is the answer? Let's see. Everyone observe. No static. What is the answer? See this one. Let us assume that this program contain. Let us assume that this program contain 5 statements. Let us assume this program contain 5 statements. Everyone observe. This program contain 5 statements. Can you help if second statement is true, where will you go? Let us assume that this program contain 5 statements. This program contain 5 statements. Second one is fail, where will you go? Let us assume this program contain 5 statements. Second statement fail, where will you go? Make it fast. This program contain 5 statements. When the second statement fail, where will you go? Second statement fail, you will go to fifth statement. If second pass, then you will go inside. If second pass, then inside. If second fail, you will go to fifth statement. Am I right or not? Let us assume that someone is there. Let us assume someone. Let us assume someone. Everyone listen. Second statement fail. Then I will go to fifth statement. Second statement pass. I have to go 3 and 4. If condition true, then only I will go inside 3 and 4. If condition fail, I don't go inside. I will go outside. This may be outside. Outside is this. Right? Fifth one, nothing. Yeah, fifth one is only for our convenience I kept, but no one is there. Fifth one, actually no one. For our convenience, I said. Remember, main function called. Inside these 5 statement. Second one fail, 3, 4 not required. Second pass, then 3, 4 required. 3, 4 required. Right? Whenever 3, 4 over, then I will go to 5. But if second is fail, then 3, 4 not required. Directly I will go to 5. Now I am executing now. Everyone listen. Now I am executing. Lack of space, I am managing somehow. Yeah, I think let's see. Yeah, I'm using some color, some other color. See this main function call. Everyone observe main function called. Totally 5 statements are, see, without static I am executing, without static I am executing. Main function is called. See the first line, see the first line, main function called. See the first line, int where is equal to 5. I think it is a declaration. Memory will allocate, where memory will allocate, value is 5, address 1000, first line over. Main function is called, first declaration, memory will allocate. So first line is completed. Can you say second line? First line is completed. Can you say second line? What is the second line? Condition true or false? Where value 5, where value 5, condition true or false? True. Second condition true. Then 3 4 required. 3, what is the 3, what is the 4? We'll see now. What is the 3, what is the 4? Right, we'll see now. After 3 4 over, then I will go to fifth line. Because of second condition true, 3 4 I written. Second condition is fail, I could have written directly 5 only. After second is true, then 3 4 I will do, followed by 5. Right now, because of second is pass, then I have to check 3 also, 4 also, then 5. What is the 3? Letter in the 5 means end of the function. 5 is end of the function. Remember, what is 3? Everyone observe. What is 3? What is 3? Print where minus minus. Can anyone guess what it will print? Second statement true. Where value 5? Right? If where condition true. If 5 condition true. Because if second is true, go inside. Second is true, go inside. Printf where? What it will print? 5 will print. Remember, it is the post decrementation. 5 minus minus means 5 only. It is the post decrementation. Post decrementation, 5 only. This became 5. Listen, this will be print 5. Okay. This will be print 5. Okay. Because of it, the post decrementation. Immediate it will become 4. First print. What is the meaning of post decrementation? First print, printed, then decrement. It became 4. Where minus minus, right? Because of it's a post decrementation, first it will 5. Wherever he is, there 5 only. But afterwards it will change. First to print 5, then it will decrement. So I think third line is over. Can you see the fourth line? Can you see the fourth line? I think fourth one is a recursion or not? Fourth one is a recursion. So main function called. Again same story. Again same story. Fourth one is a recursion. Recursion means again same story. What is the one? What is the one? Create memory for where. Where value 5. Address is 2000. Again memory allocated. What is the second line? Where value 5. If 5 condition true. Second is true. Second, when second true, I have to execute 3 4. As usual, fifth also. What is the 3? What is the 3? Printf where minus minus. Again 5 will be printed. Again it will become 4. Right? Third is completed. What is the fourth? Again recursion. Can anyone guess? Can anyone guess what will happen further? Can anyone guess what will happen further? Every time where memory will be created. Every time where memory will be created and it will print as 5 first, then afterwards 4. Again in the next function call, where memory will be allocated, it will be initially 5. 5 will be printed. Afterwards value 4. Can anyone help? Like that it is keep on going or not? Like this it is keep on going or not? I want answer from you. What it will do? Remember everyone. Remember everyone. Everyone remember this. Everyone remember this. Every function call, one stack unit. See, it is the first function call, one stack unit. It is the second function call, one more stack unit. It is the third function call, one more stack units. Remember, by default, program executing in the stack. By default, program executing in the stack. Right? Every time, right? One stack unit you are using. Some point of time, stack size is over. See, it is a stack only. See this one. You write top to bottom. You write bottom to top. No one care. No one care. It is a stack only. In the stack, it is the first unit. In the stack, it is the second unit. In the stack, it is the third unit, and so on. When you are keep on doing, stack size is over. Because every computer having some limited stack size. Unfortunately, because of no termination condition, you are keep on calling. Every function is a push operation. main push, again main push, again main push. You are trying to push infinite time. You are trying to push infinite time. Every push operation needs some space. Every push operation needs some space. You are trying to push infinite time. Unfortunately, stack space is over. Then program will stop by giving error message, stack overflow. By giving error message, stack overflow, program will stop. Am I right or wrong? Answer will be, listen, answer will be 5 printed, 5 printed, 5 printed. If you want, you can compile this program. You run this program. Compile this program and run this program. While running, it will print 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 like that. Sometime, then it will stop. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Sometimes it will do. Afterwards, it will stop. It is the correct time to ask you, is it compile time error or runtime error? Is it compile time error or runtime error? Is it compile time error or runtime error? Hello? Oi! Is it compile time error or runtime error? Remember, it is a runtime, which is also called as logical errors, right? Pratiksha saying, Priyoshi saying that compile. No. Because compiler, listen, what compiler will do is, program syntactically correct or not, program is semantically correct or not, compiler will do this only. Program is syntactically correct or not, program is semantically correct or not, compiler will do only this. Syntactically correct or not, semantically correct or not. Compiler don't see logic. This is the logic. You listen, you written the program without proper logic. If your logic is okay, why it is going infinite loop? If your logic is okay, why it is going infinite loop? Remember, program syntactically no problem, semantically no problem, but the logic is problem. It is a runtime error, which is also called logical error. Runtime error, which is also called logical error. A recursive program which is not stopping. A recursive program which is not stopping. What error it is? A runtime. Why it is not stopping? Why it is not stopping? You didn't return logic properly. It is a logical error, which is also a runtime error, which is also called runtime error. If some people are asking, sir, it is not runtime, it is a compile time. If it is a compile time, how it is pushing in the stack? If it is a compile time, how it is pushing in the stack? You don't push anything. When you say pushing in the stack, oh, running going on. Then why they divided? Right, Johan, then why they divided? You cannot go whatever way you want. See, unless you will use malloc, you cannot go to heap. Unless you will use malloc, some special things. Unless you will use the special keywords, you cannot go to heap area. Heap area having different way of accessing. Stack area having different way of accessing. By default, program will run in the stack. If you use malloc, if you use new, then heap area. Are you okay? A recursive program without termination, it is a runtime error, because compiler don't know what is the problem, because syntactically correct, semantically correct. Some people are asking, what is the meaning of syntactically correct? Semicolon missing, bracket missing, that is called syntactically correct. Semantically means data types are matching. You are adding two variables, both are same type. You are adding two variables, both are same type, right? Those are called semantically. Syntactically means semicolon missing, bracket missing. So program syntactically correct, semantically correct, but logic is not correct. So because of everything is correct, compiler cannot catch. While running, processor caught it. Okay, processor said that, oh, because of lack of condition, I'm keep on running the program. Unfortunately, stack is over. Some people are thinking, listen, some students are thinking, right, sir, error message stack overflow. Sir, stack overflow means stack overflow website, are buffoon, are gootle. Stack overflow is a website. This Stack Overflow is a error message. One student thinking, sir, this Stack Overflow means stackoverflow.com. One student asking in one of the class, Stack Overflow, you are saying, is it Stack Overflow website? I'm saying to you, I will kill you, and I will keep that killing video in Stack Overflow. I will post it. Someone is asking, sir, Stack Overflow, what you written, is it Stack Overflow website, stackoverflow.com? Then I will kill you. I will make one video. I will post that video in the stackoverflow.com. Common sense not there. Right? Stack Overflow is a website. The person who created the Stack Overflow, the person who used the person who created Stack Overflow don't have common sense. How can you misuse? How can you misuse? Yeah, people are misused. I am not able to teach these topics because of your nonsense thing. Can't you find out some different keyword? What is stackoverflow.com? How can you keep the error message as the website name? How can you keep error message as the website name? Yeah, the person who created Stack Overflow, minimum common sense needed. You are misusing, man. You are misusing the people. Computer science people are dying. Students are okay. Teachers are dying. Computer science teachers are dying because of your nonsense thing. How can you keep name as Stack Overflow when it is a error message? If anyone knows Stack Overflow owner, please inform to them here. Use common sense. You are spoiling computer science people. You are making computer science subject so difficult. Yeah, I think Johan saying, sir, can't it happen that computer's whole memory, RAM plus hard disk is consumed by only program, not necessarily just a C program? Yeah, see, everything, see, there is a code area where in that code area your program is running. Right? Programs running somewhere. Movies running somewhere. I think in my opinion, movie also one kind of program. Movie also one kind of program. See, system programs will run somewhere. User programs will run somewhere else. That one, I think that one in the operating system, right, Johan, you are going to see clearly. In operating system, you are going to see clearly. Right? In operating system, you will see that. What is there? There is a process, right? There is a process, right? There is a process state and all. There you may get clarity. They will write, right? I want to write all, but that is not my part, right? Unnecessarily creating trouble. I have to teach more. So they will teach anyhow. Don't worry. Right? That is the meaning of our operating system. What is there at which place and all the things. But I hope everyone, if anyone knows stackoverflow.com, right, owner, please say to him, I got shame on you. You are misused the CSE. Right? I got shame on you, man. Shame on you. Really, I'm saying to you, I am really troubled with the Stack Overflow error message or website. Remember, Stack Overflow error message. It is not a website. Now, it is a correct time to ask you. Listen, it is a correct time to ask you. Is finally program into infinite loop or stopped? Finally program went to infinite loop or stopped? Finally this program went to infinite loop or stopped? Hello? Finally this program went to infinite loop or stopped? What is the answer? It stopped. It is not infinite loop. In programming terminology, it is not an infinite loop. It stopped. It want to go infinite loop because of stack is over. It stopped. It want to go infinite loop. See, it is keep on calling. See this one. Calling. Because of memory over. It stopped. Memory over. It stopped. By giving error message, Stack Overflow. First, right? Printing 5. Keep on printing sometime, then it will stop because stack space is over. And it will give error message Stack Overflow and it will stop it. Remember, program stopped finally. So if I see it logically, this is a infinite loop. But in the programming way, if I talk, space is over, it stopped. So be careful. Be careful. Suppose if anyone say, listen, no option there, no option there, only infinite loop. Will you select infinite loop? Stack Overflow error message option not there. Infinite loop is there. Will you select infinite loop? In the option, nowhere Stack Overflow error message, right there. Only infinite loop is there. Will you select infinite loop? Yes, go ahead. If nothing there, you select infinite loop. Suppose if some option there, right? Stack Overflow error message. Stack Overflow error message, then select it. If both are there, correct answer is, right? Program will stop by giving error message, Stack Overflow. Right? Fine. See, both are correct, right? Both are correct because he is trying to go infinite loop because of space is over, it stopped. Both are correct, but more correct is more correct. By giving error message Stack Overflow, it stopped because you want to go infinite loop, space not there. So it came out of the story, out of running, it is given the error message Stack Overflow. Now one small question I want to ask you. How many times, listen, how many times int var is executed? I want answer from you. Whenever this program is running, how many times int var is executed? Whenever this program is running, how many times int var is executed? How many times? Many times. Whenever main is called, int var is executed. Whenever main is called, int var is executed until termination. See how many times function is called. Those many times is one. Int var memory allocated. Int var memory allocated. Int var memory allocated. Int var memory every time. How many times you called that function? Those many times memory will be allocated. Can you help me now? Those many times memory allocated, okay. How many times initialized? Memory allocated those many times, I'm very happy. How many times initialized? Every time memory creation and initialized to 5. Every time memory created, initialized to 5. Every time memory created, initialized to 5. Am I right or not? Every time memory created, initialized to 5. Every time memory created, initialized to 5. So remember, now I am solving this problem with static. Now I am solving this problem with static. With static I am solving. Be careful. Now I am solving this problem with static. See the answer. With static I am trying. This problem I am solving with static. See, everyone observe. Same, both are same, small change. You will like it now. Now you will like it. Main. Listen, now see main. Everyone observe. Now see main. First line. And one more interesting answer. Listen, if you want to run the program, you have to compile or not. Very, very interesting. It is a very, very interesting. If you want to run the program, you have to compile or not. You want to run the program, first you have to compile or not. Everyone give answer. If you want to run the program, you have to compile or not. You want to run the program, you have to compile or not. Hello? You want to run the program, you want to compile or not? Yeah, you want to compile. Okay, let's compile. Interesting answer. You will like it. If you want, you can check. You will like it. See the answer. If you want to run the program, you have to compile. If you want to run the program, you have to compile. See the answer. You want to run the program, you have to compile. See this one. While compiling, see this one. Interesting answer. While compiling, see this one. Compiler will scan the program. See, compiler never run the program. Compiler will scan the program. See, it is scanning. Compiler is scanning like this. See, compiler is scanning like this one. While compiler is scanning like this one, it see the keyword static. Whenever compiler is scanning the program, it see compiler is in static. Oh, can you help me now? Static is related to compiler or not? If you do anything compile time, that is static. If you do anything runtime, that is going to be processor. Am I right or not? If you solve the scope problem, compile time, static scoping. If you solve the scope problem, running time, dynamic scoping. Am I right or not? Compile stuff, static is there. Now see, whenever compiler is scanning the program, compiler seen this. Oh, static. Oh, this declaration is belongs to me. Oh, it is the static. Even though it is the declaration, but static is there. Static keyword there. Static keyword. Compiler got to know. Okay, this declaration is belongs to me. Oh, I have to create memory. He will create. See this one. Static int var is equal to 5. Compile time itself to this local variable. Memory will allocate. Address is 1000. Can anyone guess where memory will allocate? Compile time memory means where memory will allocate. By seeing static, even though is a local variable, memory will be allocated compile time itself. Can you say where memory allocated? In the static area. Some people are asking how local variable memory will be allocated. How local variable memory will be allocated in the static area? What is the answer? Because of in the program you written static. If you don't write static, by default local variable memory will be in the stack area. If you don't use keyword static, by default local variable memory will be allocated in the stack. But if you use static, you are indirectly, you are forcefully saying to compiler, hello, right? You are saying forcefully to compiler, hello compiler, where is a local variable? Normally memory in the stack area. But I want memory to this one in the static area. You forced the compiler, even though I am local, I want memory in the static area. When you say like that, compile time itself memory will be allocated. Where 5000 in the static area, remember, not in the stack area. That is the first line. Now see this one. Compilation is over. Listen, compilation is over. For this line, memory allocated already. Compile time itself for the number one memory allocated. Now let me run the program. Everyone observe. Now let me run the program. Very interesting. Whenever running is going on, listen, whenever running is going on, running done by processor. Running done by processor. Can anyone guess? Whenever running is going on, running done by the processor, by seeing first line, what processor will think? Whenever running is going on, processor by seeing first line, what processor will think? Running going on. By seeing the first line, what processor will think? What is the answer? By seeing static. By seeing the static, processor got to know this first line is not belong to me. Am I right or not? By seeing first line, compiler got to know it is mine. It done. Hello? Yeah. By seeing the first line, compiler got to know it is mine. He done the work. Already memory created in the static area. But by seeing the static keyword, processor got to know this is not mine. Oh, static means compiler already done. So remember, processor will skip it. You don't do any work. By seeing first line, processor got to know, oh, static, it is not mine. Okay, first line is over. Can you see the second line? Can you see the second line? If where value 5. If where value 5. So second line is true. Then third line, fourth line, fifth line. What is the third line? Very interesting answer. What is third line? Fifth line is nothing but closing. Fifth line is nothing but closing. Let me give this. Fifth line is closing. I am writing. This is fifth line. Remember, closing is fifth line. Fifth line is closing. I will try. Right? See the third line. First line over, second line over. Can you see the third line? Printf where minus. What is the answer? Printf where minus. Where is 5? 5 minus 5. 5 minus means 5 will be printed. After printing is over, then it became 4. Interesting answer. After printing is over, this became 4. Third line is completed. Can you see the fourth line? Can you see the fourth line? Main is called again. Can you see the fourth, right? Can you see the fourth line again? Main is called. Very interesting, very interesting. Can everyone observe? Very interesting. First line again. By seeing static, you will skip it. You don't do any work. You don't do any work. See the second line. See the second line. Interesting answer. See the second line. If where value 4, because memory not created. See, memory not created here. Memory not created here. Memory created compile time itself. Remember. If you use static keyword, memory will allocate only one time. If you don't use static keyword, see, memory allocated again and again, again and again, again and again. If you don't use in the recursive program, if declaration is there, if you don't use static, memory will allocate again and again. Memory will allocate again and again. But here, compile time itself for this variable memory allocated. One time only memory allocated. One time only initialization done. You don't do initialization again and again. So second line, where value 4? If where condition true, go to the 3, go to the 4, end of the story. What are the 3? Printf, where minus, where value 4. 4 minus is 4 will be printed. Then after this line over, it became 3. Now fourth line, again main is called. First line, skip it. Second line, where value 3. If 3, condition true. 3, 4, end of the program. What is the 3? Printf where minus 3 will be printed. Afterwards, it became 2. So remember, static variable, memory will be allocated only once. That is also compile time. Static variable, memory will be initialized only once. You can, if you want, you can see the previous one without static. See, every time you are keeping 5. First, every time creating memory, keeping 5. Creating memory, keeping 5. Creating memory, keeping 5. Creating memory, keeping 5. Like that you are doing. So creating memory, initializing to 5. But here, memory creation one time. Memory initialization also one time. Can anyone guess who created memory for static variable? Confirm. Who created memory for static variable? Who created memory for static variable? I want answer from everyone. Who created memory for static variable? Who created compiler? Who created compiler? And one more. At which memory? Compiler created, okay. In which memory? Stack or heap or static? In which memory created? Compiler created, okay. But in which memory? Static area. Now it is the first question I want to ask you. Static area, local variable will store or global variable will store? Static area, local variable will store or global variable will store? Static area, static memory, locals will store or globals will store? Static memory, locals will store or globals will store? Remember. By default global, now local also stored. See, he is a local. How can you say like this? He is a local, yaar. He is a local. How can you say global? In the static area, by default global. By default, global people will store, but local also can store. Local people also can store if you use static keyword. If static keyword not there, locals are normally in the stack. If static keyword not there, locals are normally in the stack. But if you use static keyword, it will also shifted to static area. Now again I want to ask you, static area, who will store? Local or global? Static area, who will store? Local or global? Say again. Static area, who will store? Local or global? I am not saying by default who will store. I am not saying who will store in the static area. What is the answer? Local also, global also. Local also, global also. Global by default. By default, global are static area. Locals are stack area. But I want to keep local in the static area. Then use keyword static. Yeah. If you use local people static, you can store in the static area. See, that's what I'm saying. Programmer will decide who will go to where. Programmer will decide who will go to where. By default, everyone having some place. But depending upon how you write program, you can access whatever memory location you want. So does the compiler keep the static variable info into the byte code itself after compiler? Does the compiler, there is a one person Ashwini, there is a, right after compilation there is a assembler. After compilation there is a assembler will do that, right? Compiler will do, compiler purpose is converting high level to low level. Compiler purpose is converting high level to low level, and small tasks also it may do some extra. Right now let's move to the next. Can you help? I am in the third function call. See this one, I am in the third function call. Printf, what is the value 3? What is the value 3? Printf 3, then it became 2. Third line over. Can you see the fourth line? Main. Almost you got clarity. First line, skip it. Second line, where value 2, if 2, condition true. 3. Printf where minus, where value 2, right? Printf 2 will be printed. It became 1. So third line also over. Can you see the fourth line? What is the fourth line? Main again called. Now everyone listen. Fourth line, main again called. First line, skip it. Second line, where value 1, if 1, right? If 1, correct. Third one, print 1. Then afterwards it became 0. Interesting answer. Afterwards it became 0. Everyone observe. So third one, what is the answer? Third one, printing over, then it became 0. Okay, fine. Can you see the fourth one? See the interesting answer. Fourth one, main called. Interesting answer, main called. See the first line. Skip it. Second line, if 0, fail or pass. If 0, fail or pass. If 0, fail or pass. Second line, if 0, fail or pass. Fail means where will you go? If second line is fail, you will go to fifth line. Fifth line means end of the function, right? End of the function. When you say fifth line also completed, now observe properly. Whenever fifth line also completed, that means this function over. Fifth line also completed means this function over. When you say this function over, it is popped out of the stack. When you say this function is over, it is popped out of the stack. That means you will go to previous function. See, before this is there. Previous function from which place you came, that place you will go. Now in the previous function you are at the fourth line purpose you went outside work is over. Now fourth one over, then fifth one means this function also completed. That means you will go to previous from where you came, that is also over. Then fifth line, that is also over. Then it is cancelled. That means from which place you came, that is over. Then fifth line also completed. Means this function is completed. Fourth line over. Then fifth line also over. This also cancelled. Then fourth line over. Fifth also over. Then this is also cancelled. That's it. Remember, how many push, those many pop. Will you agree? How many push, those many pop. Will you agree? How many push, those many pop. Will you agree? See how many, it's always like that. Life also like this. God is given, listen, life also like this. God is given birth to how many people? He will take back. In his database, he will write also. Person name P1. Date of birth is D1. Person name P2. Date of birth is D2. Like that he will write all. How many people he is given birth? At the end of the day, everyone having some day. He will take back. How many push, those many pop. How many push, those many pop. Main. So many push. How 25 push, then 25 pop. Fine. 25 push, then 25 pop. I think now you got clarity with static, without static. What is the difference? Are you okay? Some people said infinite. Those people who said infinite, that is correct for without static. Those people who said infinite loop, that is correct. That is correct without static. With static, no infinite loop. This is the output. With static, no infinite loop. Right? This is fine. Are you okay? Are you okay? Yeah, from these, let me give some conclusions.